Meaning of half-board.
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 Half-board. Half-board is a term that pertains to the type of accommodation package offered by hotels or resorts. It typically includes lodging and breakfast, as well as another meal, usually dinner. This means that guests who avail of half-board accommodations will have their breakfast and one other meal covered, while they are free to decide on where and what to eat for lunch. This is a popular option among travelers who prefer some flexibility in their daily itinerary but still want the convenience of having at least one meal provided by their lodging.